I just remember that red clipboard, and on the back of it, written in black text to denote its purpose in life, was audit. And that was the tool that we gave them to manage an audit, to print the 40, 60 pages of the national audit paper and wander around his shop.
After they'd done the check, it would take them hours to put together a report.
And as you can appreciate, that was a fairly laboured process, but an important process nonetheless. I distinctly remember we were talking about mobility, and I think it was the store support manager. He said, how can we get this audit paper online? Coles Supermarkets has 760 plus stores. We've got service stations, we've got liquor, Coles Express outlets, and nearly 100,000 employees. Coles is a part of Australian life. It's complex and it's focused on the customer. So when we were developing the notion of mobility, we were looking at building more utility so that we could really drive home a device that would not be a novelty but actually make a material difference to a store manager's day. We went through the process, we looked at traditional audit programs. I think, well, what could we do homegrown as well? And in all of that assessment, it was like, what's speed to market? What can we get out and just start playing with? And that's where we came across iAuditor. iAuditor is like nothing I've ever seen before or experienced before. The real jaw dropper was when we flicked up iAuditor and said, oh look, you can now do your checklist quickly, easily, pull it out of your pocket, bang, 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 snap a photo, and then when you show them the preview button and it turns it into this beautiful PDF that they can then share with their teams, yeah, you get a few, oh, wow, that's amazing. Getting iAuditor out to 760 plus shops, with so many employees, change can be trying. To be perfectly honest, it was pretty easy, you know, and it's not often you get that in a rollout of this magnitude, because you've got to deal with 770 people, they're all at different thought patterns, etc. But, you know, we rolled that out in a matter of weeks because it was the best of the best.
You always try and be better than you were yesterday. What can we completely, fundamentally change to make life easier?
It's a big business, and if we can somehow get ahead of the game by looking at that data and really finding the issues before they happen, that's going to set us apart from the competition. Not price, not promotion, but it's going to be how we organise ourselves. It delivered, and how it blew people's minds. It's sort of then, well, why can't we use it for this? Why? And damn right, it can. It can be used for a hell of a lot more things. Certainly we think we're just on the cusp of, you know, what we could do. iAuditor empowers us to give the customers of Australia a shop that they can trust and really get ahead of the game and deliver on their improvement opportunities.